This is the story of the first recorded instance of girl math. For those that don't know, girl math is the logic that girls use a lot of the time when shopping. It applies to more than just shopping, but here's a basic list of some intro to girl math. And Jane Austen is our subject. Now, I did not know who Jane Austen was, and maybe you don't either, until you hear the name of her very famous novel, Pride and Prejudice. She was an English novelist, and she had a whole bunch of famous work, but this was her creme de la creme. She oftentimes wrote letters to her sister Cassandra about her life and what was going on. It was in one of these letters that we have the first recorded instance of girl math. And she was buying a veil. So this is called a muslin veil, and apparently they were common to wear. And this is a black veil, which they also wore, but it's a more elegant thing. This is important for the story. So in one of her letters to her sister, she was talking about how she found a cheap shop. She also talks about some analysis paralysis that she had. But in this part of the letter, she describes buying the muslin veil. Muslin is like a material. But after she bought it, it was thick, dirty, and ragged, and she decided to return it. And instead, she went and she bought the black lace, which was 16 shillings when the previous one was only 10. She says right here, I thought myself lucky. She was spending more money, bro. And let's just say that since you spent the last minute learning something, you weren't wasting your time scrolling.